In 1978, a 50-year-old astronomer at Carnegie Institution in Washington confirmed the existence of an unknown matter that altered our understanding of the inventory of mass in the universe forever. It was called dark matter, and its founder was truly remarkable, named Vera Rubin. Born in Philadelphia, but growing up in Washington, D.C., she started to develop an interest in astronomy at the age of 10. Born on July 23, 1928, daughter of Philip Cooper, an electrical engineer, and mother Rose Applebaum, Rubin received a scholarship to attend college. Upon telling her male high school physics teacher, she was told that she could succeed as long as she stayed away from the sciences. Rubin earned her Bachelor of Arts degree at Vassar College and attempted to enroll at Princeton, but was rejected, as women there were not allowed in the graduate astronomy program until 1975. She enrolled at Cornell University to complete her master's and married fellow graduate Robert Rubin in 1948. All four of her children have earned PhDs in the natural sciences or mathematics: David, Judith, Carl, and Alan. Balancing motherhood and her passion, Rubin continued on to Georgetown University, where she earned her PhD in 1954. After teaching for a few years at Georgetown, she took a research position at the Carnegie Institution in Washington. Her work focused on the observation of the dynamics of galaxies. She teamed up with Kent Ford, an astronomer who had developed an extremely sensitive spectrometer. The duo were able to measure the speed of stars at different distances from the center of a galaxy. For a long time, it was believed that the further stars are from the center of a galaxy, the slower they will rotate, because most of the visible stars were near the center. Hence, most of the gravity would also be there. But Rubin and Ford found something entirely unexpected. The stars far from the centers of the galaxies were moving just as fast as those closer in. This was very odd because the visible mass of a galaxy does not have enough gravity to hold such rapidly moving stars in orbit. They concluded there had to be a tremendous amount of unseen matter in the outer regions of the galaxies. Thus, she calculated that at least 90% of the mass in galaxies and the universe is invisible and unidentified, known as dark matter. It's hard to imagine a greater revolution in our understanding of the universe, but she was not awarded a Nobel Prize because dark matter particles have not been found. However, such concerns didn't stop the committee from giving the 2011 Physics Prize to three men who found evidence for the accelerating expansion of the universe, even though the dark energy driving this acceleration remains at least as mysterious as dark matter. Now aged 86, she's an advocate for female scientists. Motivated by her own battle to gain credibility as a woman astronomer, Rubin continues to encourage young girls to pursue their dreams of investigating the universe. Overcoming discouraging comments on her choice of study was a constant challenge, but she persevered. Issues for women today in science. Women are more prominent in STEM jobs today than ever before. Yet a major gap still remains. In all jobs, the ratio of men to women are 52 to 48, but in STEM jobs, it is 76 to 24, a significantly lower number. This is attributed to the inherent gender bias that science and math are masculine subjects, deeply rooted in stereotypes enforcing the idea that women should not pursue a career in the sciences. Furthermore, girls are discouraged at a very young age to not get a STEM job, though in elementary both genders do equally well. By high school, boys are told to stick to science while girls are told not to. A lack of female role models in STEM also makes females stray. Family life versus research. Many women feel as though they can't have kids if they want to have a good career in science and math, or that if they do already have a family, there isn't enough time or money to do both. Finally, after struggling through all these challenges, if a woman makes it to top levels scientific studies, worldwide females receive less support for their research, getting less grants, lab space, office support, and equipment. So how do we fight this? Well, we must break down biases about women scientists, encourage young girls to pursue careers in science, and support them through all academic stages and in their research.
Created using Powtoon.